Go to your TikTok app right now and look closely at the top of the screen. You can see that the live option is not there. After the recent update on TikTok, TikTok actually moved the live option from the TikTok app. So just to be sure that this is not a glitch, I'm going to remove this from my background and go back to my TikTok app. So looking right here at the top of the screen, you can see that the live option is no longer showing right there, if you can notice. So in order for you to be able to get that back, this is what you can simply do. So right here, in order for you to be able to see live videos on TikTok, even without the live option right there, this is what you can simply do. You're welcome to Ask Daniel Fix, and in this channel we teach about how to fix app problems and also help you to make money. So looking right here is the homepage of my TikTok app. So in order for you to be able to view live streams on TikTok, even without having that live option at the top of your screen, this is what you can simply do. So if there's actually any user that you have in mind to watch their live, you can simply search for their username and you'd be able to watch their live stream. So let's say you search for, let's say, this user, just like this. If this user is currently live streaming, you'd be able to see their live stream. So if that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and search for live stream. So let's go ahead and search for live on TikTok. Click on users like this, and you'll be able to see a lot of users that are currently live streaming on TikTok. So this is the way you can actually do this for now, by just searching for live on TikTok in order for you to be able to view random live streams on TikTok. I don't know why TikTok actually moved the live stream option from there. Maybe it's actually a glitch from their end, and I hope they are going to fix that soon. But for now, in order for you to be able to view random live streams, you can simply go ahead and search for something like this and click on users, and you'll be able to see random live streams. I mean, if there's a specific user you want to watch their live, you can search for their username and you'll be able to watch their live stream. So hope this helps. Now do wait to hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.